Someone said in the fitness industry, or a collection of people have said in the fitness industry, that you're 80% more likely to achieve your goals if you write it down. This is bullshit, okay? And this is not the place where you start your fitness journey. The first thing you need, and this is a big piece of the pie that's been missed out by a lot of the industry, a lot of professionals, and this is realizing how to control your thoughts. Your thoughts, it doesn't matter if you write down the biggest, flashiest goal with all the bells and whistles on it, all the beautiful experiences and wonderful holidays and all of that lovely stuff. None of that matters if you don't have your mind in the right place. It starts with the realization that you are in control of your thoughts, and that if you're in a negative frame of thinking, a victim mentality, you are never going to break out of that, even with your goal. You've got to be in a positive mind state. Now, the analogy that I like to use for this is, imagine there's a big hole that you fall down into. If you're down in this hole and you're in a negative mind state, you're going to whinge about, why did I fall in here, and who the fuck pushed me in, and whose fault is it, and it's so deep and it's cold and all of that. Okay, someone with a positive mind state, a positive approach, someone that's a go-getter, that gets their fitness results, that smashes things, is going to be looking for the solution, looking for the way out. How do I get around this? This hurdle's here. I can't control anything like the people outside. I can't control the fact that I'm in this hole or that this damn hole exists. I'm just going to find a way to get out, get through it, and overcome it. This is an example of mind state, positive mind state versus negative mind state. You've got someone that's victorious, someone that's smashing it, that's in control, versus someone that's a victim, that's negative, that's in a perpetuating negative environment, okay? We can jump from one of those to the other. It happens. We go through shit in life. We are demotivated at times. Circumstances change. Things get in the way. But the fitness journey needs to start with this realization that you are in control of your thoughts. And when we get in this right frame of mind and stay there, we are ensuring that we are going to get results. We're going to go forth and conquer, get the most out of our fitness journey. Thank you, team.